Ever pondered the art of crafting a heartfelt verse? A love poem that can capture your feelings in a way nothing else can? Do you yearn to pen down the emotions that surge within you for that special someone in your life? Well, today we are diving into the beautiful world of poetry, and not just any poetry, but love poetry. Imagine a poem, an ode to the one you cherish, a symphony of words that resonates with your emotions. It's not as daunting as it may seem. By breaking it down into simple, manageable steps, anyone can write a love poem that can touch hearts and maybe even inspire tears of joy. The first step in writing a love poem is to tap into your feelings. Love, after all, is an emotion. Let your heart guide your pen. Allow your emotions to flow freely onto the paper. This is the essence of a love poem. It's raw, it's real, it's you. Next, think about the person you're writing for. What makes them special? What are the things about them that make your heart flutter? Is it their smile, their laugh, the way they hold you? By focusing on these unique traits, your poem becomes more personal and intimate. Now, let's frame these emotions and thoughts into words. Begin with simple, honest sentences. I love your smile. Your laughter fills my heart with joy. When you hold me, I feel safe. These may seem simple, but they are powerful in their honesty. A love poem doesn't have to rhyme, but if you want it to, there's a simple way to do it. Take the last word of your first line and find words that rhyme with it. This creates a rhythm and a flow to your poem. However, remember, the most important thing is to express your feelings honestly and sincerely. And there, you've got the skeleton of your love poem. But it's not finished yet. The next step is to refine it. Read it out loud. Does it sound like you? Does it express your feelings accurately? If not, don't be afraid to make changes. This is your poem. It should reflect you. Finally, add a touch of creativity. Use metaphors or similes to make your poem more vivid and colorful. Your smile is like the sunrise, bright and warm. Your laughter is like a melody that dances in my heart. To summarize, writing a love poem is a journey of self-discovery and expression. It starts with tapping into your emotions, thinking about the person you're writing for, crafting simple, honest sentences, creating a rhythm if you wish, refining your words, and finally adding a creative touch. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to write a love poem. It's a personal expression of your love. So let your heart guide your pen, and you'll create a love poem that's as unique and beautiful as your love story.